Try and do this better and faster. So you plug your Integra into power, and then in the back you should take a USB B printer cable like that, plug it into the Integra, and plug the USB A into your computer. Then go to Menu on the Integra, go to System, and go down to USB driver and change it from MIDI and switch it to vendor, MIDI and audio. When you do that, when you press enter, it's going to say, do you want to write that to the system? Go ahead and do it. Then restart the Integra, because I think it needs that to take effect. At this point, I should be ready to use the Integra as an audio interface, as something that can send audio to my computer and act as a sound card. So I'm going to open FL. F10. Here it says Integra 7. If I want to send MIDI to FL Studio, I enable it. Okay. And the story there is you have to take your keyboard, take a 5-pin MIDI cable, put it in the MIDI out, one of these. You put it in the MIDI out, send it to the MIDI in of the Integra, and when you play your keyboard, you should see this little MIDI light come on. And assuming your keyboard's on channel 1, it will start activating the channel 1 instrument. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. You're not done yet though. You have to come into here in the audio tab and select Integra 7. Ooh, my hand's shaking. And that's going to let you send audio to the computer over USB. Once you've done that, you can go to F9, and that opens up your mixer. You go over to here and you select Integra Stereo in and then in right. And that's going to accept the audio over USB. So then it's like, well, how do you listen to it? You're going to have to put your, you're going to use a headphone jack on the Integra. And I'm not clear on, this is something I should find out, if I play something in FL. I don't think it comes back through the headphones. Okay, so you're gonna do fine if you want to record MIDI and audio using just the Integra. You can do all that, you can do that. But if you want to include other instruments, then you have to use an audio interface, and I'll talk about that in the next video.